Hey there! Planning to travel on Sharjah-Al Dhaid Road this weekend? Stop right there. A major exit will be completely closed for 4 days, and you don't want to get stuck in traffic. Hello and welcome to VJKhan Family Entertainment, your go-to place for updates, news, and stories that matter to you. If you're living in the UAE or just traveling through Sharjah, listen carefully. From Friday, April 18th until Monday, April 21st, a very important exit on the Sharjah-Al Dhaid Road is going to be fully closed. Yes, we're talking about bridge number 4, the exit that leads straight to Al Dhaid City. The Roads and Transport Authority of Sharjah has officially announced this closure as part of important infrastructure development in the area. This means for 4 whole days, drivers will not be able to use that exit at all. The RTA has also asked all motorists to follow traffic signs and safety instructions during this period. There will be alternative routes available, so keep your navigation apps updated and stay alert. Now you might be wondering, why this sudden closure? Well, it's all part of Sharjah's long-term plan to improve road safety, traffic flow, and upgrade bridges for future growth. Yes, it's a short-term hassle, but a long-term benefit for all of us. So, if you're heading to Al Dhaid or planning a weekend trip with family, make sure you leave early, check your route, and drive safely. Stay informed, stay smart, and we'll always bring you the updates that matter most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VJKhan Family Entertainment for real-time news, stories, and family-friendly content. And remember, subscribers stay ahead, and newcomers are always welcome.